From double footlock, bring your shoulders to the front of the silks. With one arm, reach behind the same side silk for the opposite silk, thumb down. With the other hand, reach in front of the same side silk and across to the opposite, thumb also facing down. Pull your arms out to the side to make an X on your back. Pull until the silks are on the outside of your shoulders, then lean back to bring your shoulders through on top of the X. Bring your arms through the back and readjust your hand grip so thumbs are facing up and just above head height so you can go into your inversion. When you're in your crossback, the silk closest to your back will be on the same side as hand that grabbed in front of the silk. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips on aerial arts.